All right. So I got my powder coat stuff back. It was done yesterday, but couldn't pick them up yesterday. Picked them up this morning, and here they are, finished in satin black. The skid plate, original skid plate, as well as the two side panels. These are the clips that hold them in one place. Obviously, they had to be removed to get powder coated, and I'm gonna glue them back on. Ended up going powder coating the skid plate because I'm not going to do any off-roading with this bike. So I don't need one of those heavy bash plates. I'm not spending $300, $400, $100 on a skid plate when for $50 I could satin black the original one, and it does its job. So let me unwrap them and show you what they look like. So here's what they look like: satin black, smooth. My powder coater really is one of the best out there. It's a gas powder coat out in Simi Valley, but oh man, this guy does some awesome work. He's done so many of my bikes, countless. Done parts for my trucks. So yeah, always trust him. It's a quick turnaround. Love his work. Powder coat always holds up, always looks fresh. So let's mount these bad boys up. So there she is, all put back together. We got the skid plate, powder coated. Satin black, looks perfect. And the way the triple black should have came from the factory, all black. Love the nardo gray pop. You'll see on the inside that I put in. Pops the GS. Matches the color of the gray. Looks awesome. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. But this is the way the bike should have came from the factory. How nice is that? Now she's looking triple black. All right, guys, take it easy.